Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Oscar, and today I'll be teaching you an increasingly popular trading strategy, how to arbitrage XRP between two platforms. So, let's dive in. What's the core idea of this strategy? Simply put, it's a method of trading on price differences between platforms. You buy USDT, exchange it for XRP at a favorable rate, and sell XRP on another platform where the price is higher. The difference is your profit. Think the price differences aren't big enough to make much profit? Let me surprise you. The spreads can range from 7 to 9%, which means each cycle could potentially bring you up to 9% return on your initial investment. And I want to show you how that works. Key to this strategy is finding platforms with the largest price differences. We'll use XRP Price, the official monitoring tool from the XRP developers, to find where XRP prices are the highest. It gives you real-time data from reliable, trusty global platforms, showing you the most current XRP rates. I'll leave a link in the description below this video. Step 1. Go to the XRP Price website. Scroll down to the XRP Market section, then sort platforms by price. As you can see, on some platforms, the XRP rate is much higher than on others. Step 2. Now we need to select the platform with the best XRP rate and sign up there. I chose BCH because it had the best rate at the time of recording this video, but I recommend checking the rate before you start your arbitrage cycle. Step 3. Buy XRP from any high-liquidity platform. In my example, I bought 16,652 XRP with a $10,000 budget on Binance. But for beginners, I recommend starting with small amounts in the first few cycles. Step 4. Transfer XRP to the platform selected in Step 2. Go to the deposits page, copy the XRP address, and initiate the transfer. And don't forget to include the memo in the transaction. Usually, funds arrive within a few minutes. Step 5. Go to the spot trading page, select the XRP USDT pair, and sell your XRP to complete the cycle. In my example, I sold 16,752 XRP for $10,928. Now let's check the balance. As you can see, after just one cycle with an initial investment of 10K, I made 928 Oz, and it only took around 10 minutes to complete this cycle. Now we can repeat the cycle. Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the market is full of opportunities like this, and you're just a few clicks away. See you in the next one.